location. Hold on. So I'm on my way to the location. I found a trail that's like 5 minutes from my house. Not sure what to expect. My buddy is currently there, so I'm probably gonna meet up with him. Hopefully it's a cool little trail. Never gone on the trail before besides one back home in Ohio. P.S. It's really hot. Like I said earlier, it's hot. So I made sure to wear light colors this time, not just all black.
Tornado, I see you coming around. Don't let go, you know I'm holding you down. 'Cause people shouldn't change like the weatherman. People shouldn't change if they innocent. People act strange when it's getting hard to breathe. So let me be your oxygen. Please don't go, I will stay. When everyone is leaving and you're feeling strange. See them go, hear them say. Trying to breathe but you're feeling strange.
So made it to my location. Put my backpack here. And the things that I brought inside of it are a water, stay hydrated, granola, not sure how long I'm gonna be out here for, so if I get a little hungry, almonds, and most importantly, my hat. You'll see in a second. So, oh damn! Look at that hat. Oh yeah. The hair's still in my mouth. I'm a real outdoorsman. Look at that outfit. Oh yeah. You can tell I was made for the outdoors. Nice, colorful. I think it's a dress shirt, but I'm using it as a hiking shirt today. Good old hiking hat. They blocks my neck from the sunburn. Oh, I'm ready. I don't know. I pulled up beside this nice BRZ, I think. No, it's a Siren FRS. I think I showed the license plate, but that sucker is sharp. Black on black looks good. Not sure. Let's see. Stop the spread of germs it's talking about. Hours of operation. Please report criminal activity. Nothing over here. Saying what, then what, then what. I know I came here one time. Oh, it's a trail map. I'm gonna take that. Bring it in, take it out. Someone lost a pair of keys. Apparently I have a 1.5 mile hike to where my friend is. Oh, it's gonna be a long walk, but let me tell you, it is a beautiful day. Like, look at that. Look at him go. How you doing, sir? Good. It's a beautiful day out here.
Oh man,
it's a little bro. Yeah, I bought a gallon of water for that reason.
yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, I left my tripod in the car for like the last month in this heat, and I think I broke it. Cause like, the legs, man, like they're flimsy. Like they won't stand up straight. Like if I hold it by the legs, the phone slowly falls. Like, you see what I'm talking about? I guess this is what happens when you buy a cheap little tripod from Wally World. Golly, look at this place, man. Nice open terrain. Oh my. It's beautiful. Open wilderness. I might have to do this more often. I'm not even kidding. It's like, oh golly, it's darn bomb beautiful out here. Maybe I might have to turn myself into the next I might have to turn myself into the next like Steve Irwin and become a gator hunter.
I heard a knock upon my door the other day. I opened it to find her staring in my face. The feel of mortal stalking still reverberates. Everywhere I go I drag this coffin just in case.
You guys are not gonna look at this view that you guys are about to see. You ready? Oh, look at that view. Wow.
Trap door's better.
Huh?
Trap door's better. If I slip, don't laugh at me. Right there. I wonder if he's in there. That's a cool ass web, dude.
Getting way too close.
Man. Tell me when I'm allowed to get in there.
You good?
There's like a whole ass tunnel of like web in there.
By the way, y'all, this is my guy Kane. One second, let me zoom out. That's Kane. He's my geologist or my tour guide.
Hola, como estas?
Since I don't know crap about this place for hiking. Yeah.
Me neither, bro.
Yeah, but you did it more than I do, so.
This is the first trip I've taken in months.
Yeah,
That's
but
not true. I go.
you've done like 4 or 5 the last time I saw.
This is the first real hike I've been out to in a while, dude. And I've been on the trail before, but I've never been too far down it. That's what I was gonna do today, but of course I made that wrong turn and went down Horsefly Lane.
It smells like poop.
Yeah, it does. I think it's somewhere it rains, maybe. Oh. Now it smells like weed.
Someone fire up a smoking a doobie.
Well, it ends.
Oh, damn.
It like just stops, continues back into the forest,
Yeah?
and that trail goes north.
Like you're living, but you might be better out there. If you're going under, then I'll be your oxygen. I'll be your oxygen. I'll be your oxygen. I'll be your oxygen. Domino, this world keeps knocking you down.
I got fucked up. He walked into a bunch of stand spurs. We're about as high as that palm tree right there. Well, so you guys can see from a distance, that's the hill we're on. And this is where I'm at now. It's a pretty big hill. Right there. You weren't joking.
That is dead ass gator. It's not a bad size one either.
That's decent. Oh, look at that.
Fuck you, Horsefly. I don't give a fuck about you right now. Get a good picture for me and send it to me, please.
I'm trying to get a good video without shaking.
Alright.
Damn, look at that sucker.
Do you mind if I bite towards my fucking boat? And I was like, shit, just fucking yanked the lure out of the water. That's the only time I've ever been like even close to attack that gator. That was...
See, I always see videos of people fighting them and attacking them. It's like, nah, I couldn't do that.
Gators will fuck you up, but I think for the most part they're not super. I mean, gators are kind of chill.
Yeah.
I'm not an expert on alligators, but I have lived around them for a little while.
I've lived around it for like 2 years.
There's all sorts of weird tracks in here, dude.
I'm just waiting for a bear to pop out, dude. So I'm waiting for a bear to pop out.
If I see a bear trap, I'm turning around.
You see a bear trap or bear crap?
If I see a bear track, I'm turning around.
Oh yeah, 100%. I mean, it should be cool to see a bear, but don't cut yourself. Ew. What's the purpose of those things?
That's seeds. Well, that's what carries the seeds.
It's a big ass spider. Is there a big ass spider in it too? Got a web out there. Holy shit, that sucker's huge. You see it? My hand's a little shaky, but damn, look at that. I think there's a spider in it.
Them no one can push you